Hello everyone, this is Faith from faithsbizacademy.com and I am trying something new. So I send regular newsletters to my email subscribers and I'm just wondering if people will actually consume the information better if I'm providing video, audio through a podcast feed as well as transcripts converted from this video. Okay, so if you like this better, let me know in the comment section or just reply to my email on the newsletter. Okay, so I just want to share with you basically four promotions that I want to share with you that's happening this week. Okay, now the first one that I want to bring your attention to, let's make that 6. The first one that is super important that you should really want to take a look at, because there are going to be lots of other people talking about it, which is the BC Stack 2023. But because it's a super important bundle with tons of resources, and because I know you are probably overwhelmed by the number of bundles recently, like me, I feel ya. So I have another video that walks you through exactly how to decide for yourself if the BC Stack is helpful to you and your unique situation in your business development. Okay, so if you're interested to find out more about the BC Stack, watch the other video. Now here, I want to share with you this, okay, the sticker shop plan by Mim. She recently hosted Planner Craft Pro and is so well received. Do you know how many people attended? More than 21,000 people, and it was such an honor to speak at the summit, and I'm really happy that some of you have also gotten onto my email list through Mim's summit. So now this, if you really like creating printable products, digital planners, then I think creating stickers would also be a great way to add hot selling products to your shop. Okay, so check out Mim's The Sticker Shop Plan course. Okay, so why do I want to highlight this? Because price is going to double by the 1st of July. So if you have been eyeing this course, if you have been trying so hard to create beautiful stickers that are sellable but to know good results, then I strongly recommend that you take up Mim's course, The Sticker Shop Plan. Okay, so I love that she has actually included a very specific module that is going to teach you how to actually print and cut perfect stickers with a silhouette or a Cricut cutting machine. Now the thing is, personally, I don't have a Cricut machine nor a silhouette machine, and I've got actually some people asking me how does that work? How does cutting stickers work on those machines? So unfortunately, I don't have a good advice or reply for you until I go through Mim's course. Okay, so if you want to learn more about creating and selling stickers and also how it actually works, now even if you don't own a Cricut machine, just the knowledge of knowing how the cutting works is going to help you as a sticker seller, because you can give detailed instructions. You can make sure that your sticker designs are actually very user friendly for people who want to print and cut out the stickers on their own at home with the silhouette or Cricut machine. Okay, so I love that. I think this is one of the most unique points about this particular course. So she's going to walk you through the tools that you need, the Silhouette Studio that is free, and how to use the Cricut design space. She's going to show you how to actually design planner stickers, how to make sure that your sticker designs are pretty and unique and sellable. Okay, how to actually create stickers from scratch, how to print and cut like a pro, and how to set up your sticker shop. So she's not just going to leave you in the lurch after teaching you all the tips on creating and designing. She's actually going to show you how to specifically pick a selling platform, choose your perfect shop name, identify your ideal customer. I think this is so important for online businesses because it's going to help you set up a business. You're not going to be like a beginner or a newbie, but you're going to start a business like a pro. Okay, she's going to help you that, and she's not going to keep you stuck in level 1 beginner phase, because she's going to help you to develop and design your product range. So imagine you've got all the skills of creating sellable stickers. What's the next step? How do you scale your business? How do you make sure that you can build a sticker business that is thriving and profitable in the long run? Okay, marketing and branding, profit-focused shop plan. So this looks like a really, really detailed course for anybody who wants to create and sell stickers. Okay, whether it's a side hustle or hopefully you can even ditch your day job and just focus fully on selling stickers online. How does that sound? Now, we've got tons of testimonials, so read that. And the good news is, even though it's at $247, you can choose the 3 monthly installments of $99 per month, 3 monthly installments of $99. Now, why do you want to sign up today? Because the price will double. Once again, the price will double to $497 on 1st July. So if you've been considering this, if this looks really attractive and helpful to you, then please sign up before the price increase. I mean, why would you pay double the price when you can start getting access for just $99 today? Now, to encourage you to purchase this course, when you purchase this course through my affiliate link, forward me the invoice and you can pick any of my premium courses worth up to $197. Okay, once again, purchase through my affiliate link, forward me the email of the invoice, forward the invoice to my email, and you can pick one premium course of mine worth up to $197. Okay, so that's for Mim's course, the sticker shop plan. Now, next course I want to share with you is email marketing. Let me make sure. Email Super Sales Mastermind by my friend Becky Beach. Now, she earns over $15,000 a month selling personal use printables. So she's going to show you how to actually do that through effective email marketing. I love email marketing. Most of my business comes from email marketing. So I am a strong advocate of email marketing. So if you want to see how Becky does it, check out this course. And the great news is you can save $100 with the code email100. Okay, right here, use the code email100 to save $100 off Becky's new course, Email Super Sales Mastermind, and get it for only $47. Okay, so that is that. So calling all people who are struggling with email marketing, okay, check out Becky's new course. Next up, we've got Amy from imperfectlyamyk.com. She is celebrating a birthday and giving you 50% off all her regular priced private label rights, otherwise known as PLR products, store-wide 50% discount in the shop. Just use the code BDAY23, okay? The 50% discount is valid until 26th of June. Okay, she's got really nice PLR products, some with even MRR trainings. What I would strongly recommend is if you want to use WooCommerce, check out her training. Okay, let me just make sure, or is it just PLR? Let me just quickly make sure that this gets 50%, because if it does, then it's super worth it. Let's see. Yes, 50% off her WooCommerce for WordPress training too. So if you've been eyeing it, if you're trying to use WordPress, go for it, okay? And use the same code to get 50% off all of her other PLR products as well, store-wide discount, okay? Now, next up, Marcy, theunpopularmom.com by Marcy. Now, she's got 3 new products I want to share with you. One is Dino and Friends Back to School stickers. MRR, in case you're not familiar, is actually called Master Resell Rights, which means you can actually use the stickers and sell with commercial use rights, or use these stickers in your PLR template. So it's really awesome, and you can get it at 50% off $67, okay? If you purchase it by the 30th of June, okay? That's how much? That's like $30 for stickers that you can use in your PLR products safely, resell it, That's awesome. Okay, so these are really, really adorable too. So back to school Dino stickers, MRR rights. And Baby Dino and Friends. This is a PLR coloring pack. So she's got some very adorable coloring pages as well. You can grab this at 50% off also. So that would be $13.50 after the 50% discount. And the third product from Marcy, theunpopularmom.com. This one, Summer Bingo, also with MRR, which once again means that you can customize, rebrand, adapt, and still sell it with commercial use rights. Okay, so this is in both PowerPoint and Canva versions. All right. So, and just want to bring you to one last thing. This is my product, one of my $9 workshops. I released this just a couple of weeks ago, so if you haven't gotten it, I strongly encourage you to take a look at it. Finding and applying your unique design style, all right? So in just 40 minutes, you can transform yourself from a beginner to a confident designer who knows how to find and apply your unique design style into the digital products you create so that you can have a more professional looking business brand as well as lovely, beautiful digital products. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create your own design style idea boards, how to choose your design style and then actually apply it on a product that you create, and how to incorporate your preferred design style into actually your brand images. Okay, imagine having more professional looking, themed, and aesthetically pleasing Instagram images, Facebook banners, website images. Okay, so I've also included Canva templates for you. This is a very unique design style idea boards that is not available on any other parts of my shop, my website. So you can grab it for free under this $9 workshop. Okay, so just $9. Thank you so much for your support. And that's it for now. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, or you can reply to my email and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Now, if you have business related questions, I'd like to invite you to join my Facebook group, Creating Printables with Faith. I've got a lovely Facebook group manager who engages our community so well. And if you have any questions, if you need some community support, we've got very, very friendly and lovely and helpful people there. I'll see you there on our Facebook group. Okay, so thank you so much for your attention. Thank you for watching this. Once again, I'm Faith from faithsbizacademy.com, and I will see you around.